Hello guys, today I will do a comparison of Xiaomi 12 versus Xiaomi 12s. So let's get start the video. Let's talk about dimension. Height. Xiaomi 12 has 152.7 mm height and 12s has also 152.7 mm height. Width. Xiaomi 12 has 69.9 mm width and 12s has also 69.9 mm width. Thickness. Xiaomi 12 has 8.2 mm thickness and 12s is also 8.2 mm thickness. Weight. Xiaomi 12 has 179 gram weight and 12s is also 79 gram weight. Let's talk about display. A screen size. Xiaomi 12 has 6.28 inches screen size and 12s has also 6.28 inches screen size. Resolution. Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12s both the phone have 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. Xiaomi 12 has 20:9 aspect ratio and 12s has also a 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. Xiaomi 12 has 419 ppi pixel density and 12s is also 419 ppi pixel density. Display type. Xiaomi 12 has an AMOLED display and 12s is also an AMOLED display. Protection. Xiaomi 12 has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection and 12s is also a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. A screen to body ratio. Xiaomi 12 has 89.2% screen to body ratio and Xiaomi 12 has 89.5% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera. Let's start with Xiaomi 12 camera. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera है 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 13 megapixel aperture 2.2 और telephoto 5 megapixel aperture 2.4 और HDR LED flash. Let's talk Xiaomi 12s. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera है 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 13 megapixel aperture 2.2 और telephoto 5 megapixel aperture 2.4 और HDR LED flash. Let's talk about the phone camera video recording feature. Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12s both the phone can record 4K video at 30 fps. Let's talk about the phone selfie camera. Xiaomi 12 has 32 megapixel selfie camera and Xiaomi 12 has also a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Both can record 1080p video. Let's talk about hardware. Chipset. Xiaomi 12 has Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 generation first processor and Xiaomi 12 has Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 plus generation first processor. CPU. Xiaomi 12 has octa-core 3 GHz CPU and Xiaomi 12 has a octa-core 3.2 GHz CPU. GPU. Xiaomi 12 has Adreno 730 GPU and Xiaomi 12 has also Adreno 730 GPU. RAM. Xiaomi 12 has 8GB 12GB of RAM variant and Xiaomi 12 has also 8GB 12GB of RAM variant. Internal storage. Xiaomi 12 has 128 to 56GB internal storage and 12s has also 128 to 56GB internal storage. Card slot. Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12s both the phone doesn't support any expandable card slot. Battery. Xiaomi 12 has 4500 mAh battery and Xiaomi 12s has also a 4500 mAh battery. Fast charging. Xiaomi 12 has 67 watt fast charger and 12s has also a 67 watt fast charger. Operating system. Xiaomi 12 has an Android 12 EMI UI 13 and Xiaomi 12s has also an Android 12 EMI UI 13. Let's talk about the phone connectivity. Let's start with Xiaomi 12. It supports under display fingerprint. It also supports 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or 120Hz high refresh rate. Let's talk about Xiaomi 12s connectivity. It also supports under display fingerprint. It supports 5G network, NFC, 120Hz high refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6. Let's talk about the phone price. Xiaomi 12 comes around $70,000 of $885 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage and Xiaomi 12s around $60,000 of $759 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Design wise both the phone have same design, display are also the same, camera is also the same, hardware there is a better hardware on Xiaomi 12s, connectivity are same on the both the phone, charging are also same, price are there is a better price on Xiaomi 12s. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you and thanks for watching our video.